Welcome back to GPT Construction, Masonry and Design. I just wanted to walk you through this little backyard addition we did here, poolside. We added an outdoor 4-foot by 12-foot dining table, stationary seat wall on the house side for the kids, with a beautiful outdoor kitchen, 13 lineal feet of 12-inch cantilever, all high bar. We did a little stone veneer here to match the existing columns. A nice tight joint ledge stone. Low voltage lights throughout. And a beautiful acid stained concrete countertop. We pulled some of the goldish tones right out of the stone. Brought them right onto the top. Let me walk you around this thing. It's beautiful. It's our first dining table we've done, full masonry, concrete top. You know, design this little pedestal here. Just a whopper. Came out really nice. Beautiful texture on this top. They wanted a real mild look, not too busy. No veins. I mean, we just nailed it. Glance up over here at the beautiful outdoor kitchen. The all high bar lets the cook belly up to the bar with his guests as he's tending to the food. This client bought his own Memphis smoker, our first one we've ever installed. Turned out beautiful. Little digital panel there, Frenched in on the left. Single side burner, triple drawers. That double doors is a full dry cabinet for his stereo equipment and a refrigerator. Turned out beautiful. Can't really see those tops too good with the glare, but so again, thanks for coming by the channel, checking out exactly what we do here. We are GPT Construction. There's a good top shot of the top there. Where everything we do is full masonry and built to last. Remember, always say no to prefab.
Thank you for watching to the end of the video. If you like what we do here at GPT, make sure to subscribe. And to be notified by recent uploads, hit the notification bell. It means a lot to us here at GPT Construction. And remember, always say no to prefab.